always wanted a mandolin, but most are far too bulky. So I went with the OXO Mandoline. This is exactly what I need. It works beautifully, and I love OXO products for how durable and smartly designed they are. The Easy Grip handle slides right off and has hooks on it to hold food in place. It is very simple to control by sliding the side to the width you want. You have 3 options. And this is what it did in short order to my potatoes. It is very, very easy to use. I can have it on a cutting board, or it has these great little silicone hooks so I can put it right over a bowl. And it's as straightforward as sliding the food back and forth across the sharp cutter. It goes so fast and it makes such clean, beautiful cuts. It locks closed, it's super easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and it's small enough to fit in my drawer.